So this is what it looks like inside at the back of it. The bellows, this one, the top part is missing completely. And this one here, as you can see, it's all broken up. You know, that's why there's no sound coming from the bellows. So like I said, in the next, I'm gonna show you how I repair all these things. The bellows, this one and that one here. Okay, let's see what it sounds the way it is now. Did you see what happened there? So I'll make a little bit. As you can see there, in there, and stop. Anyway, you can see that the top part is all ripped up. So I'm gonna repair that, show you how I do it. It might help you with your clock.